Welcome to our tutorial on simplifying square roots and fractional exponents. This tutorial will guide you through essential rules and examples. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into the essential rules for simplifying square roots and fractional exponents. Understanding these rules is crucial for mastering algebra and will help you solve more complex mathematical problems with ease. Let's get started. First, let's look at simplifying inside the radical. For level 1, take the square root of 50. Break down 50 into its prime factors. 50 equals 2 times 5 times 5. We can take the pair of 5s out of the square root, resulting in 5 times the square root of 2. For level 2, consider the square root of 72. Break down 72 into its prime factors. 72 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. We identify the pairs and take them out of the square root, giving us 6 times the square root of 2. Next, let's separate the radicals when multiplying. For level 1, consider the square root of 36 times 4. Separate the radicals to get the square root of 36 times the square root of 4. Simplify each square root to get 6 times 2, which equals 12. For level 2, take the square root of 45 times 5. Separate the radicals to get the square root of 45 times the square root of 5. Simplify the square root of 45 to 3 times the square root of 5. Multiply 3 times the square root of 5 by the square root of 5 to get 3 times 5, which equals 15. Now let's combine the radicals when dividing. For level 1, let's look at the square root of 48 divided by 3. Combine the radicals to get the square root of 48 divided by the square root of 3. Simplify the square root of 48 to 4 times the square root of 3. Dividing 4 times the square root of 3 by the square root of 3 gives us 4. For level 2, consider the square root of 180 divided by 5. Combine the radicals to get the square root of 180 divided by the square root of 5. Simplify the square root of 180 to 6 times the square root of 5. Dividing 6 times the square root of 5 by the square root of 5 gives us 6. Next, we need to rationalize the denominator to remove the square root. For level 1, take 5 divided by the square root of 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. This results in 5 times the square root of 2 divided by 2. For level 2, consider 3 divided by 1 plus the square root of 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate, 1 minus the square root of 2. Simplify the denominator to 1 minus 2, which equals negative 1. The result is 3 times 1 minus the square root of 2 divided by negative 1, which simplifies to negative 3 plus 3 times the square root of 2. Now let's simplify perfect squares. For level 1, consider the square root of 64. Recognize that 64 is a perfect square. Simplify to get the square root of 64 equals 8. For level 2, take the square root of 144. Recognize that 144 is a perfect square. Simplify to get the square root of 144 equals 12. Finally, let's look at fractional exponents. Fractional exponents are another way to represent square roots and higher roots. The numerator indicates the power, and the denominator indicates the root. For level 1, take 16 to the power of 1/2. This represents the square root of 16. Simplify to get 16 to the power of 1/2 equals the square root of 16, which is 4. For level 2, take 27 to the power of 2/3. This represents the cube root of 27 squared. First, find the cube root of 27, which is 3. Then, square the result to get 9. And that's it. You've learned the essential rules for simplifying square roots and manipulating fractional exponents with examples for both basic and advanced levels. Practice these rules to improve your algebra skills and make solving math problems easier. Don't forget to follow us for more math tips and tutorials.